Hi guys, ACK here. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, then please subscribe and press the bell notification icon so you can be updated with latest videos. If you want to learn about logo design, web design, marketing, SEO, generating income online, then please subscribe. In this video, we're going to look at how to set up hosting and a domain so that our website can be live. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. The first thing you need to do is go to azidowebservices.com. Then go to my account, sign in, or if you've not created an account, click on create an account on the bottom. Enter your email address. Username, you can use your email address as the username. In this case, I will use a unique username. Then enter a strong password. Enter a support pin. You can use this to phone in and get authorized. Click on agree and create an account. Next, we are going to search for a new domain name. In this case, safetaxi.co.uk. Click on search. This domain is already taken, so I'll have to change it. I will add 24 and click search. Yes, this domain is available. Continue to cart. Click on basic privacy protection. This is a free option. The next step is to enter billing information. Enter your first name, last name, telephone number, and your address. This can be your home address or business address. Once you have filled in your details, you need to set up payment options. Simply use your card or PayPal to pay. Once you have done this, complete the purchase by clicking on the blue button. Okay, next we want to click on keep shopping. And you will see your domain name in here. It can sometimes take a while. Try refreshing the page and see what happens. Or click on manage all. And there we are. We have our domain in our account. Okay, next go back. Click on start shopping. And go to products. cPanel Starter is the basic hosting package. If you don't need a custom email address, choose this hosting package. If you need a custom email, then click cPanel Economy. This way you can get a customized email address. Add to cart. Your billing details should be in. If not, refill and complete the purchase by clicking on the blue button. You should now see your hosting in your account and your domain name as well. Next, click on Setup. Enter your domain name, in this case safetaxi.co.uk. Actually, it's safetaxi24.co.uk. Let me go back and change this. Click on Next. Data Center Europe. You can set up Word. We won't do it in this stage, so click Not Now and hit Finish. It can take a couple of minutes to set up the hosting, so be patient. There we have it. Our hosting is ready. Go to Dashboard. You can see the domain name, the hosting is all ready now. Click on cPanel Admin. Here is where you can make all the changes, add your files, and do other things such as databases, email setups. Let's go back to our account. Now we're going to set up email, so click on Additional Products, Redeem, and choose the middle one, the one that's got the inbox option. Redeem credit. Now we need to create the inbox. Click on the Create button. Choose an email address, so in this case info. Choose a strong password. Confirm the password. Click on the plus icon. Here you can make this a catch-all account. This is so that anything before the @ can be used. Info, sales, admin, etc. You can enable auto reply, so if somebody sends you an email, they will get a reply with a custom message. Okay, so that is our email setup. To visit the inbox, hover over the email address and click on Launch. It can take a couple of minutes to set up, so be patient once again. It's not ready, so that's why it's not recognizing it. Let's go back to My Products. So there we have a domain name, hosting, and email address set up. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, that was a simple tutorial on setting up hosting and a domain name. It doesn't matter which hosting company you choose, they more or less do the same. Again, it just depends on the price and package you pick. If you choose Azido Web Services, this is my own hosting company. I can help you if you've got any issues with setting up or hosting problems. So I'd really appreciate it if you could use my hosting company. My prices are really low at the moment. I will do another video on a different hosting company, so watch out for that video as well. Alright guys, see you soon.